Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Chris Dearborn, Managing Director on Nasdaq's Market Intelligence Desk, for an update to watch on technical levels in the Nasdaq 100 as Goldman Sachs initiates Apple with a buy this morning. And Chris, relatively flat, slightly higher trading to start the week.
The markets are actually flying this morning. The NDX is up over 1% at one point. Was kind of giving it back in the afternoon hour, but Apple is absolutely the bellwether here, holding up the index. As we get a slew of economic data coming out this week, you got Powell speaking up at Congress today. You've got a number of other items that are going to be later this week. A number of other items that are going to be very impactful, including the non-farm payroll number on Friday. That jobs report is going to be crucial to whether or not the economy is actually still holding up on the employment side, or is the Fed tightening still kind of working here and it's going to bring unemployment down. So the market's kind of skittish. Rallies have been sold, dips have been bought. We're kind of flat here coming into the last hour. And with that, last week was nice. Friday's rally was significant. But again, the economic data is kind of ruling the roost here. And whatever Powell may say can move the market significantly in midweek.
All right. And Chris, if we take a look at your first chart here, give us some fresh technical levels to watch in the Nasdaq 100.
Yep. So the index gapped up this morning come Friday's strong performance. Again, it was nice to see the index close higher for the week last week. We did peak out at about 12,466 today. So the index opened and we're trading right now at 12,344. We're just below that right now. If this chart is to remain bullish on the intraday basis, we need to recapture that close, that open for the close. And if we do, then we're going to retest over the next couple of days, barring any macro items, the 12,500 level. What's interesting is that the index is sitting well above all the moving averages, which seems to keep peaking out at 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level on the 1 year, which is 12,283. If we can break through that today and hold the opening, it's going to be very constructive. Support below is the 200-day moving average at 11,900.
And let's take a look at the constituents leading the way for the index this afternoon.
Right. When I sent the graph over earlier, it was about 2/3 positive to 1/3 negative. Now we're about a 50-50 split. The big boys on the green side are Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet, all performing well. Costco's up there as well. On the flip side, Tesla's gone a little bit negative. It's only down 1.5%. Amazon's back and forth, and NVIDIA. So it's really an even split. Apple's ruling it. If Apple didn't have the big upgrade this morning, this index would probably be down about 0.2 to 0.3%.
All right. Appreciate the insight as always, Chris. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.